This fact was mentioned in the Quran 1450 years ago in the following verse. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. يخرج من بطونها شراب مختلف ألوانه فيه شفاء للناس. There issues from within their bodies a drink of varying colors wherein is healing for men. उनके पेट से रंग बिरंग का मशरूब निकलता है जिसके रंग मुख्तलिफ हैं और जिसमें लोगों के लिए शिफा है. गौर फिक्र करने वालों के लिए इसमें भी बहुत बड़ी निशानी है. We are now aware that honey has a healing property and also a mild antiseptic property. The Russians used honey to cover their wounds in World War II. The Russians used honey to cover their wounds in World War II. The wound would retain moisture and would leave very little scar tissue due to the density of honey. No fungus or bacteria would grow in the wound. A person suffering from an allergy of a particular plant may be given honey from that plant so that the person develops resistance to that allergy. Honey is rich in fructose and vitamin K. Thus, the knowledge contained in the Quran regarding honey, its origin and properties, was far ahead of the time it was revealed. Please subscribe to my channel to stay motivated and enlightened, and hit the bell icon so you can never miss a video. And thanks for support to Maz Rights Official. Jazakumullah khaira.